Hey guys, this is Jamey Jordan here, and I've been working with Eastwood on my Signature Series line of new tools for the bead roller. And I want to take a second and walk you through some of these new products that we have, just so you can get familiar with using them on the bead roller. One of the first products I want to talk to you guys about is our adjustable collar. And these new adjustable collars are able to slide onto any standard bead roller shaft. And the trick to lining this collar up is making sure that the top is pushed all the way back and that you line up straight with the shoulder of the shaft right here where the die connects. And then once you get it in place, you simply take your Allen key wrench and start tightening it down. All 4 set screws. And then just stagger it so you don't over torque one or the other. So I snug them up. I don't really torque them down too much because you do want to be able to take them on and off eventually. But as long as they're on there solid enough that you don't feel the die slide or move in and out, I think you should be fine. So the next thing we're going to do is put the bottom one on, and then we're going to start adjusting our collars and showing you guys what we can do with them. And just like that, we're ready to go. All right, now that the collars are installed, let's take a second and go over why these collars are so important to you. With the addition of the adjustable shafts, you're able to just turn this collar right here. And by doing that, it allows you to be able to change the bead profile that the dies have. So by simply sliding the collar in and out, you can create an unlimited amount of bead profiles no matter what die you have on the bead roller, which ultimately is going to give you the most range, most control, and better outcome when you're bead rolling. Without these collars, you're just locked into the profile that's cut into the die itself, which is usually a 1/16 of an inch gap. Or you're stuck with just applying washers on the end of it, something of that nature, just to be able to change the setting between the dies. Now that you got your collars installed, putting the rolls on goes just the same way. Simply lay it on, add your bolt, and you're ready to go. And whenever you want to adjust these collars, you simply loosen the bolt and slide the collar out, which is going to create different profiles between the rolls. So when you're satisfied with the gap that you've created between the rolls, simply tighten up the bolt and you're ready to go.